Let's introduce a tool for easy component hiding. I choose the component I want to focus on. Here we see a typical problem, where we can't edit the component we want because it collides with other components. For this reason, I turn on the Vision tool, which allows me to move between the layers to hide the other components. Now I can perform the necessary operations on the component without any problem. Then, by changing layers, I can return to the original state. We hope you liked the add-in.